no, it's so expensive. So this is 180,000, guys. Oh, ang mahal. The second one is almost 210. 210,000. The other one was 250. Oh, ang mahal. Ay. Oh. So this one is a little bit, it's electric bike. The other one, I think. This one is 3,000. 180. Magbaktas na lang po, oy. So, yan is also electric bike. So, naka-sale na siya. So, from 4,400, nahimok nilang siyang 3,900 euros. So, 3 times na. Almost mga 230,000. Naka-sale na siya, guys. Kani, gwapo siya, oh. This is nice. Advance. Naka-sale siya from 3,900. Nahimok na lang siya 3,300. I bought my first bike here in this shop. And they are very friendly. As in, my second bike was bought close to my workplace.